How to use System Restore on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open the Run command. Right-click the Start button. Select Run. Type rstrui.exe. Now click on OK button. Now the System Restore window will open. And now click on Next to proceed. Here you will see a list of restore points that your system created automatically. Example, before installing a new software or updates. You can easily choose a restore point from the list that predates the issue you are experiencing. Now click on the Next button, and after that you simply need to review the details and then click on Finish to start the restoration process. Now your computer will restart and Windows will revert to the selected restore point. In this way, you can easily use System Restore on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.